All right, so I made it to Dunning Springs, guys. Look at how clear this water is. And it is super cold. Holy cow. This is Iowa's tallest waterfall here, guys. 200 feet tall. Very weird looking with the grass and everything in there. But it's Iowa's tallest. This is really cool. I like it's almost like sitting in a gorge. Look at the rock faces and everything up there. Oh, it's so cool. Just being here listening to it is even kind of cool. All right. And with that, I'll catch you on the next adventures.